Welcome to the new and improved PicMonkey collage tool. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to create flexible designs that you can customize any which way for gorgeous results each time. Let's start with choosing a collage layout. When you head to the Collage tab, you'll see a variety of layout choices in the browsing panel. Click on them to see them larger on your canvas. Once you find a layout you like, it's time to fill the cells of your collage layout. If you want to add photos and videos, head to the Photo and Video tab. There you'll be able to drag and drop stock photos, stock videos, or of course, you can upload your own from your computer or your hub. If you have your files open on your computer, you can simply drag and drop them. Once you've uploaded your photos, you'll see the option to autofill cells. This is a huge time saver if you have lots of pictures and lots of cells. To change the color of any cell, click on it, and you can use the color picker or any color of your choice. You can also head to the Textures tab and choose any of PicMonkey's textures, or as always, you can add your own. Be sure to adjust the fade, saturation, and blend mode, and click Apply. Now let's talk sizing. In order to resize any cell, click on it and drag the handle to either stretch or shrink. If you need to add a cell, you can just drag an image onto your collage and hover in between the cells until you see a blue bar. Then just release the cursor and the new cell will automatically be created. You can adjust the space between the cells by using the spacing slider. You'll notice a lock icon, and when you unlock it, you'll also be able to adjust the border spacing in addition to the cell spacing. You can also round the corners of your cells. If you go all the way to 100%, you can create perfect circles. And if you need to rotate or flip your collage, you can do so using these icons. Now let's add some text and graphics. If you would like to add text, simply head to the Text tab. You can choose from your branded fonts, or use our text layouts, or just click Add Text. Remember that your collage cells are still totally editable, so if you want to move an image around to make your text fit, it's really easy to do. Any elements you add to your collage will sit right at the top of your layers palette. Now let's add some graphics. If you would like to quickly reformat your collage for a different channel, click Smart Resize, and let's choose Pinterest for example. Check off Pinterest pin, and PicMonkey will automatically reformat your pin, and it's still customizable. Go ahead and give your creation a name, and then just download it to your computer and you're ready to go.